Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling what's essential: your phone, optional 360 lens, and the app. Open the app and allow permissions so files and GPS tag correctly. Once done, calibrate the phone's compass if prompted. That keeps horizon and stitching accurate. Mount the phone or lens on a short, rigid pole to minimize wobble. Make sure to set resolution and stitching mode early. Higher resolution captures detail but uses more space, so balance quality versus storage. Now focus on capture. Lock exposure and white balance so lighting stays consistent across the sphere. You should choose at least 30 FPS for smoother motion. Enable HDR or RAW when dynamic range is tough. Position yourself or the subject so the main action sits near the equator of the sphere to reduce stitching artifacts. Move the camera slowly and steadily along a tripod or monopod. Abrupt motion makes seam lines. Monitor audio levels and consider an external mic if dialogue matters. Finish by stitching and editing. Either run the app's automatic stitcher or transfer files to desktop software for finer control. Once stitched, open the 360 project in an editor that preserves spherical metadata so viewers see immersive playback. Add spatial audio and gentle stabilization to hide small jitters. Export as equirectangular 2, 1 with H, 264 or H, 265, and ensure metadata flags the file as 360.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.